Welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been enjoying other videos. So for today, we're going to be talking about directed numbers, and we're not going to be using the number line. I'm not going to use a number line. Instead, I'm going to give you something to note on how to solve it. Now, this is what you need to note. Now, in order to solve number line, note this. When the signs are the same, add. You need to add it together, then write it out. Write out the sign. When the signs are the same, you add, then write out the sign. Now, when the signs are different, when the signs are different, what do? You subtract. Now, it doesn't matter where the bigger number is. Just note you're going to subtract. Then write out the bigger number sign. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 says 3 minus 7. In maths, all numbers have a sign. So in this case, this 3 is standing alone. But what it simply means is there is an invisible plus sign you cannot see. If it is negative, we are going to always attach it. But if it is positive, we can leave it. So in this case, this becomes plus 3 minus 7. Remember, I told you all numbers have a sign. There is an invisible plus in this. So now we have plus 3 minus 7. Let's look at our notes. When the signs are the same and when the signs are different, we are going to look at our sign. We have 2 different signs in this case. That means we're going to use this second method that says when the signs are different, you subtract, then write out the bigger number sign. So I'm going to do 7 minus 3. The bigger number between 3 and 7 is what? 7, right? That's correct. And what sign is the 7 carrying? The 7 is carrying the negative sign. So I'm going to put my negative sign. When the signs are different, you subtract, which is this. Then write out the bigger number sign. 7 and 3, 7 is bigger. So the sign of 7 is minus. So this becomes minus 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Let's go to the next example. Minus 8, minus 4, minus 5. Looking at this, we have minus. The first number is minus. The second one is also minus. The third one is also minus. That means they all have the same sign. Oh, this is where we are going to pick. So let's see. When the signs are the same, we add, then write out the sign. Of course, the signs are the same, right? That's good. The signs are the same. So we're going to add it together. This is what we are going to do. 8 plus 4 plus 5. And then the signs are the same. So we should what? Write out the sign. I'll just put my minus in front because they are all the same. So what am I going to do? Minus 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So I'm going to have minus 17. Wow, this is actually a simple thing. I never knew this topic is this simple. Okay, let's go to the third one. 14 minus 9 plus 20 minus 7. Like I said, all numbers have a sign. But there is no sign in front of 14. What am I going to do? If you look at this first example, I told you that when the sign is not given, it is known that it is a minus what? Is it minus sign? No, it is actually a positive sign because all numbers have a sign, and when the sign is not given, it has an invisible plus in it, invisible plus. So I'm going to rewrite this so that I can be saying all my sign. So I have my plus 14 minus 9 plus 20 minus 7. I'm not going to solve this together. I'm going to pick it 2 by 2 so that you won't be confused. So just follow me on this journey. The first one I'm going to do, I'm going to pick out these two first. Plus 14 minus 9. It takes this because the signs are different, plus and minus. And when the signs are different, you subtract. So I'm going to subtract 14 minus 9. And so why the bigger number sign? 14 is bigger than 9, and 14 has a positive sign. I'm going to put it here. So 14 minus 9 is going to give me what? That is plus 5. Remember, it's going to be my plus 5. Okay, so remember, I'm going to bring down the other one, plus 20 minus 7. I'm not going to do this separately. I want to do it one after the other. Now, plus 20 plus 5, plus 5 plus 20, the signs are the same. And when they are the same, you add 5 plus 20 is 25, and the sign is plus. So I'm going to do my plus 25 minus 7. I'm bringing out this one. Remember, the first one, I left these two, and I brought them out. Now I'm bringing out the 7. So plus 25 minus 7. The signs are different. This takes us back to this. When the signs are different, you subtract. Okay, so 25 minus 7. When you do 25 minus 7, you're going to get 18. So 18, I'm not done. Then write out the bigger number sign. The bigger number is 25 and it has a positive 18. And positive 18 can also be 18. That's it. So you see, to solve number line without directed number without a number line is very simple. Once you can take note of this, and you remember it always, whenever you want to solve, it helps to simplify your work. It helps to tell you what you are supposed to do and what not to do. You don't need to start getting your number line. You move and move and move. What if it is in an oral question, whereby somebody just asks, minus 5 plus 3. What are you going to do? Will you get your number line book? No. Minus 5 plus 3 is actually minus 2 because the signs are different. So I'm going to drop some questions for you, and I would like to see your answer in the comment section to see how good you are. If you have any question, remember the comment section is still there. So let me drop questions for you before I go. Number 1, just try and do this. We have minus 8 plus 1. Number 2, we have plus 3 minus 4 minus 5. And the third one says minus 9 minus 10 plus 11 minus 12. Okay, I would like to see your answer in the comment section. Remember to like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also, remember to share it for others to find maths difficult, to make it fun. Actually, math is fun, math is simple, and I love teaching maths. So I believe with this, directed number is actually going to be simple. Don't forget to check on my other videos on different topics in mathematics. If there is any other topic you'd like me to tweet on, I am on. Thank you.